Hey there, welcome back to Tony's All Works and Off-Road. Today we're going to be installing some new headlights on my green XJ. These are the Rugged Ridge clear crystal headlights. I got them sponsored by Morris 4x4 Center and car sponsors. I get all my parts from Morris 4x4 Center. They've got great service. They ship as fast as they can, even with the supply chain issues that are going on right now. They do a great job. I highly recommend them. So this headlight here is going to come with a replaceable bulb. So you can really put whatever kind of bulb you want in here, but this comes with a halogen. So you can put HID, LEDs, even though HIDs are kind of going out of style. I prefer them sometimes because they've got a brighter beam. However, LEDs tend to last a little bit longer, and they have a smaller ballast. Anyways, I'm getting off point here. So we're going to go ahead and install these headlights. We're going to get rid of these yellow, nasty looking headlights that have clearly been on this Jeep for a lot longer than I've had them. And replace them with a nice new headlight that's going to be clear. We're going to have a clearer beam down the road, some good clarity. So let's go ahead and get started. The first thing you're going to want to do is remove your headlight bezels. And you have one Phillips. They're usually going to be Phillips, but they can vary depending on who put the last bezels on. But I've got 3 Phillips here. Actually, I'm sorry, 2 Phillips, 1 and 1 at the top, and that's it. And then your headlight bezel will come off. Now that we have the bezel off, as you can see, you have 4 screws that hold in the headlight, and they may vary between Phillips, flathead, and then you've got the adjustment screw on the side that is probably going to be a Torx. Now that you've got the headlight bracket, your headlight will come right out, and as you can see, it's got 3 little prongs on the end there, and that kind of slid right out pretty easy. That must have been why I was having some weird issues with my headlights a while back. But down here, There's the end of the plug-in right there. That's what your new headlight's going to plug into. As you're removing these screws, try not to drop any of them, because then they go down this deep hole here, and you'll have to remove the 2 screws that hold the blinker assembly on. So let's start unwrapping our new headlight. As you can see, there's the plug-in that you'll put that wire onto, and this little rubber cap here, you can pull this off, and that's how you replace it. It unscrews just like a regular headlight, and then you can replace the bulb that way if you do choose to do so. So, as you can see, this prong right here is going to be on the top, so your DOT, SAE, HR, all this stuff down here is going to be on the bottom. You want to grab your plug-in. Make sure that black part right there is on top, because that's going to go into the top prong. Now that that's in there, I highly recommend that you go and test your headlights and make sure it works. And we're good. Now you'll put it right into the bracket that adjusts your headlight, and then now you can see the lower end of this bracket right here kind of got bent where the bottom right screw was. You want to bend that back to where it was naturally, so that the screw doesn't get caught in there weird. And then you can go ahead and put this back together.
And your engineer better turn it up to the max. Let everything burn, the return of the Mac. Got a man looking like he's seen a ghost, fully throwing a white, he's smoking wax. Chemtrails coming all out of my mouth, smoke looking like the exhaust of a jet. Man that just melted into the couch. Put them in a hole like they're snorting cat. Put them in a hole like they're working on the water. All you could hear was pure disorder. All you could see was smoke dispersing. All you could do was hide in a corner. Enough noise, everybody dead. Scared for your life, so you look to the sky and pray for silence. Not bad. Anything but L's, voice love though, send a salute to the losers. Us man are fucking up your own network. When I shut down, gotta reboot your computers. None of them could ever connect to the router. One of them must have had a glitch in the system. Man are getting woke from the sleep at night. All you could hear was a couple shots in the distance. All you could hear was people screaming. All you could hear was pure disorder. Not trying to start war with anybody here, cause we don't cause trouble, we're causing trauma. Man are gonna know about cause and effect. Big strats on the set, trying to keep things.
They do not learn fixed in their ways as they are. You are naive to think otherwise. It's an illness for which there is but one cure. They do not learn, fixed in their ways as they are.
That was my install of the Rugged Ridge clear crystal headlights. I think they look great. They have the crystal background, and I think that looks clean, and that's kind of what I go for on my builds. And that was for the 97-01 XJ. I hope this helped someone. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day, and please sub for more off-road and automotive install content. Thank you.